guys, welcome to Honors Chemistry. I'm Mrs. Waba. I will be your teacher for Chem 100 next year. I am very excited. I wanted to talk to you about your summer assignment. So this is a college level class, and we're going to probably have homework almost every day, including over the summer. The homework over the summer will take you about 2 to 3 hours. So sometime in August, you want to work on it. Enjoy your summer. But a couple of days before school starts is when you want to start on this. There are multiple things that you have to do. Each of them shouldn't take too long, but you want to kind of plan ahead so that you make sure that you get it done before the first day of school. So first of all, you should have been invited to our Schoology page. And when you click on it, this is what it looks like. You can access the summer assignment right here, or you can scroll down and click right here. When you do that, you'll get there. So here are the instructions. You also got a hard copy of those instructions. And then the instructions themselves have links to different things, but I also have the links here as well to make it just a little bit easier for you to find some things. So here are the instructions, just a little bit bigger. So first it says task number 1 is remind. You can sign up for a remind text from me by texting this to 81010. These are optional, but I would recommend that you sign up for them. Sometimes I send some important information. If you choose not to sign up for it, then make sure you have a friend that has signed up to let you know if I ever send something important. Next is student information. So you click here, or again, under the summer assignment, right there where it says student information, that's task number 2. This just takes you to a Google form that asks you all kinds of questions about yourself. Do you like math? Do you like science? What kind of candy do you like? What kind of hobbies or extracurriculars do you have? Stuff like that. Task number 3, I want you to record a video about yourself. I want to get to know you even better. So I want you to record a video that's between 2 to 5 minutes and submit it right here to tell me more about you. Next, task number 4 is the safety contract. You can find the safety contract on the back of the instructions right here. It says safety instructions for the chemistry lab. You need to write your name, sign, and date, and then have your parent or guardian also write their name, sign, and date. Make sure you read it carefully because these are the rules that we're going to use during the whole entire year whenever we're in our lab area. Next, task number 5 is the parent survey. So this is a Google form for your parents. I have homework for your parents as well, just to let me know a little bit more about yourself. Next is the tour of our Schoology page, and I will put the link is right here so you can watch it. This just tells you, where to find things in our Schoology page, how to submit assignments, where's the calendar, stuff like that. Next is, this is probably going to take the bulk of your time. You also got a hard copy of a packet. It is also going to be linked right here in our summer assignment. So there's the packet that I gave you a hard copy of. You're going to watch 4 videos. I have 3 right here. I'm going to add the 4th one soon. And you're going to take notes in your packet. So I do want to show you this packet real quick here. So any chapter that we do, there's going to be a packet where it has a little poem that's optional to read, your learning targets, and then it has guided notes. And so in the guided notes, this is video going to be number 1. You're going to watch that to fill out page 1. There's going to be another video to watch for, it's labeled Accident Jefferson High. You watch that. Anywhere where you see something that is not related to the video, don't worry about that. We're going to do that in August when we start school. So Bunsen burner safety, we'll talk about that when we get to school. These notes, we'll talk about them later. Then later on in one of the tasks, it'll ask you to memorize some elements. And so these are the elements that you're going to memorize. And we'll talk about that in just a second. Another video tells you to color these 2 periodic tables here. So you're going to watch it in color, take some notes. And then the last video, you will take notes about the families on the periodic table. So you'll fill this out as well. After page 8, the rest we're going to do in August. So don't worry about it. You'll see after the guided notes that we're going to do more of in August. Then there will be some worksheets. Again, we'll do that when we get to school. Don't worry about doing them over the summer. And then after that, you're going to see some labs as well. Again, we'll do that when we get to school in the summer. Sorry, in August. Next, you need to know some glassware. And so I have a little Quizlet for you right here. It says Glassware Quizlet. This will walk you through some glassware and equipment that we're going to use in our lab. I'd like you to study those. I also have in the instructions a video linked here where I go over the different glassware. If you'd like to watch that, you can, but you don't have to. You just need to know the names of the pieces of glassware that's on the Quizlet there. And then I also mentioned that you need to memorize some elements. So I have a Quizlet for you. It is here, linked here, and it's also linked here as well on our Schoology page. So you'll find all the links on the instructions and also on our Schoology page under summer assignment. I want you to memorize these elements, and there will be a quiz probably after the first few days of school, maybe like the second week, the beginning of second week or something like that, where I'll quiz you over both the glassware that you memorized and the elements that you memorized as well. If you have any questions whatsoever over the summer, please email me. My email is right here, or text me. And I'm really, really looking forward to having you in class next year. It's going to be a wonderful year. Have a great summer, guys.